second part of your when you're giving a good public talk is understand that who is the audience. आपके श्रोता कौन है, आप किससे बात कर रहे हैं, and the audience has to be kept in mind while delivering the speech. Correct? We have a beautiful saying in public speaking which says, speaking without the audience in mind is like writing a love letter to whomsoever so concerned. अगर आप श्रोता को जाने बगैर बात करेंगे तो ऐसा ही है जैसे आप प्रेम पत्र किसी को लिख रहे हैं और उसका नाम ही नहीं है. To whomsoever so concerned, जिसको भी है आप दे देंगे, which is stupid, right? Correct or no? So when I'm speaking, जब मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ public speaking, I'm giving this talk to you all. I have a different format. Now, when I'm giving the same talk for a class of 6th standard or 8th standard students, if they call me to a school, will it be the same thing? No. If I'm speaking to the top level managers of Wipro, अगर मैं managers of Wipro, they need presentation skills. They need it in a different way. Correct or no? So that is completely different. I have to make my speech according to my audience. Each audience is different. आपको याद है आपके घर पे मेहमान आते हैं तो आप चीज बनाते हैं, आप कुछ भी खाना बनाते हैं और आपकी मम्मी बोलते हैं मैं इतना नमक डालूंगी स्वाद अनुसार. आपको पता है क्यों बोलती है स्वाद अनुसार? किन लोगों को तीखा अच्छा लगता है, किन लोगों को मीठा अच्छा लगता है. जो मेहमान आपके घर आया उसी के हिसाब से वो बनाएगी, राइट? करेक्ट है ना? You cannot make it's speaking is not a floodlight, it's a spotlight. Keep this in mind. You are focusing to the heart of each one of your. जब आप बात कर रहे होंगे ना तो it should look like I am speaking only to you. I'm not speaking to everybody else. So all 40 of y'all will relate to me in such a way that each one feels that I'm speaking exactly to you. And I should be. So even when, why did I come for the 2 sessions before this? I came for Partho Bhaumik session. I came for that Sandeep Rao session because I wanted to see the audience. I wanted to see कौन आते हैं यहाँ पे, कैसे उनका प्रोफाइल. मैंने जॉर्ज से पूछा कैसे लोग होते हैं. He told sir students भी रहते हैं, ये भी रहता है. So I had to gear my talk. I had to make my talk amenable. It's not an easy job. I have to prepare a profile. For this 1 hour talk, I prepare for 2 hours. Not even more than 2 hours. I'll have to do my homework. I'll have to find who's my audience. What should I narrate? Where should I narrate? I have to put this all in a capsule of 45 minutes, 50 minutes. And I have to do that all. So keeping the audience in mind is very, very important. Next time, don't give an all-in-one speech. If you're speaking to a technical audience, मैं कुछ दिन पहले PhD scholars के साथ बात कर रहा हूँ. I was speaking about how to do a research design. So I had to use technical terms there. Correct or no? I had to speak on what is research design, what's an exploratory research design, what's a comparative research design. I had to speak to them in a technical language because they were technical in nature. Yesterday, I did a faculty development program for my teachers, and I had to speak on 3 C's of effective teaching. Now, all of them are not PhD scholars. Some of them are new joinees, etc. So I had to cater my speech according to them. Every audience is different. So each audience needs a separate thing. Okay, so keep this in mind. So first thing which I told you was intent and content. I'll keep repeating it again and again. It should go into your head. The second thing which I told you was, what did I tell you? The second thing was there are certain key elements of your speech. It can be comparison, it can be stories, it can be humor, it can be illustrations and exhibits. It can be different things, right or no? The third thing which I told you was, whenever you speak, keep the audience in mind. What? Fourth thing what I told you was start and end properly. Please start the speech properly, end the speech properly. Now the fifth one I want to tell you is how you speak something also depends on your voice modulation. Voice modulation क्या बोलते हैं उसको? कि अगर आप अपने आवाज को ऊपर जाएंगे, नीचे जाएंगे, how will you create that voice modulation? एक ही, if I take one sentence, I'm going to tell you one sentence, and because of the emphasis I lay on different words, the meaning of that sentence will change. मैं आपको एक वाक्य देता हूं और उसी वाक्य को अगर आप लिखेंगे तो एक ही अर्थ आएगा, पर जब मैं बोलूंगा वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन के साथ ऊपर नीचे आवाज को करके तो आपको कई उसके अर्थ आएंगे. लेट मी टेल यू दिस सेंटेंस. आई डिड नॉट से जॉर्ज बीट हिज वाइफ. और ऐसे आई डिड नॉट से जॉर्ज बीट हिज वाइफ. इसका मतलब क्या है? मैंने नहीं कहा कि जॉर्ज ने अपनी पत्नी को मारा. ओके, नाउ लिसन टू दिस. There are 5 different meanings of the same sentence because I'm varying my tone. I did not say George beat his wife. That means मैंने नहीं कहा. I did not say, somebody else told. I did not say George beat his wife. That means I did not say. I'm categorically denying the fact that George beat his wife. I did not say George beat his wife. मैंने नहीं कहा कि जॉर्ज ने अपनी पत्नी को मारा. I did not say. I might have written it, but I did not say. I did not say George beat his wife. I did not say George beat his wife. Somebody else might have beaten his wife. I did not say George beat his wife. He might have done something else. This is a family show. I cannot tell you what he did. Okay. I did not say George beat his wife. He might have beaten somebody else's wife. Correct? I did not say George beat his wife. He might have beaten his daughter, secretary, whoever. Okay. But he did not beat. The same sentence had 5 different meanings because I put emphasis on different parts. So keep this vocal variety in mind, the way in which you twist your voice. And there are different ways in which you can develop your vocal variety. I do a lot of pranayam. The best voice comes from your stomach. So if you can do Kapalbhati or if you can do Anulom Vilom, Brahmari, this helps you to cleanse your throat. And whenever you're going for a speech, don't drink anything cold or don't eat anything sour before going for a speech because that affects your voice quality. And I'm very careful about that, before giving a speech. Even here, I was given a milkshake in the afternoon for drinking with lunch and I said, no, I have to give a speech at 4 o'clock. I had my class at 1:30 to 3:30. I said, no. Whenever you're giving a speech, be careful about what you're drinking. There are voice exercises. There are ways in which you can actually develop. Your voice is a muscle, just like any other muscle. You can develop your biceps, triceps. आप जिम में जाके कसरत करके अपने मांसपेशियों को उत्तम कर सकते हैं. उसी तरह आप अपने आवाज को भी कर सकते हैं. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. You can actually change the way in which you speak. Lastly, I've run out of time and I think so I'll have to extend it for 5-10 minutes to take questions, not more than 10-15 minutes. The last thing which I want to tell you is I can give you a lot or a big lecture of public speaking, but there is nothing like practice. There's a famous method actor called Michael Caine from Hollywood. जैसे हमारे cinema Anupam Kher hai, Nasruddin Shah, they are method actors. Method actors are those people who put themselves in the role and then they act out their role. And Michael Caine used to ask, how are you such a beautiful actor? How are you such a natural actor? And he used to say, preparation is hard work, performance is relaxation. Preparation, अभ्यास, मेहनत है. जब मैं एक्चुअली मंच पे जाता हूँ वो तो रिलैक्स की तरह है, वो तो आराम से है. करेक्ट है ना? सो प्रेपरेशन इज हार्ड वर्क, परफॉर्म, गो एज मेनी टाइम्स ऑन स्टेज एज पॉसिबल. जब भी आपको मौका मिले, गो ऑन स्टेज, टेक द अपॉर्चुनिटी, स्पीक, because the more you speak, the more you will get rid of your fears, the more you will get feedback on how you have to improve. I was seeing Virat Kohli's interview the other day. Virat Kohli is my favorite cricketer. Okay, he's just amazing. Highest average in all 3 formats for an Indian cricketer is unbelievable. 63 in one-day international, 65 in T20s, above 16 tests. And they asked him a question. They asked him, Virat, how are you so brilliant? He said, nothing else but practice. Right from the time I started playing, जब से मैंने क्रिकेट खेलना शुरू किया, 14 वर्षों से, अभी he celebrated his 31st birthday in November, okay? And मैं अभी 31 साल का हो गया हूँ. I've hardly missed 1 or 2 net sessions. मैंने सिर्फ 2-3 net session miss किए हैं, क्योंकि I believe in the slogan of the Indian Army. भारतीय सेना का एक slogan है, the more you sweat during peace time, the less you'll bleed during war time. जितना आप शांति के वक्त पर पसीना बहाओगे, उतना कम खून आप युद्ध के समय पर बहाओगे. You will the less. So the more you practice and practice, Go on stage, practice, grind it out, and you'll feel. I wasn't such a great speaker. If you would have heard me even 10 years, 15 years back, I was very, very ordinary. But I know that the more I put in my effort, the more I become better. I will practice. If there is a speech, I will go and practice. I will see what I can put in. I'll add in the masala. I will, even now when I go to my class, I've been teaching for 25 years, but I will never go to class unprepared, because I know that I cannot. It's a responsibility. You being a public speaker, जब आप भाषण करते हो, ये आपकी जिम्मेदारी है कि you have to keep the audience engaged. You cannot waste that time. So for me, when I'm speaking to 40, 45 of y'all, it's not a matter of 1 hour. It's a matter of 45 hours, because all of y'all could have done something in these 1 hour, right? 45 log hain, 45 man hours I cannot waste. Correct or no? So it's a responsibility being a public speaker. I have to give you something so that you take home and you can put it in your life. So just keep this in mind. So I've explained all the components which I thought were necessary. Intent, content, different aspects of your speech, comparison, stories, illustrations, exhibits, quotations. Starting and ending is important. Third point, voice modulation is extremely important. Correct or no? Keep in mind that the audience should be kept in mind while preparing the speech. Appropriateness of audience. Grind it out. The more you practice, go on stage whenever you get time. Stage time. You'll improve as a public speaker. Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure speaking to you all. Thank you very, very much.